So here's a question from Mastering in Chapter 7 on thermodynamics or thermochemistry. And so we're given 23 grams of a substance that's initially at 27 degrees, and it's going to absorb 2.40 kilojoules of heat, and we're asked to find the final temperature. And there's several substances. So this is where you're going to have to look in the book. I can't remember what page it's on, but to find that table of specific heats in Chapter 7. So the first one is gold, which has a specific heat of 0.128 joules per gram degree Celsius. So we're going to be using heat equals MC delta T. Heat gained, we're going to want to make that in joules, so 2,400 joules. Mass 23 grams, specific heat 0.128 joules per gram degree Celsius, and final temperature minus 27 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I'm just going to start dividing. So here's my calculator, 2,400, and I'm going to divide by 23 first. 104.3, and that's going to be joules per gram. Joules per gram degree Celsius. TF 27 degrees Celsius. Let's divide by 0.128, and that's going to give me 815. Those will cancel out. And degrees Celsius, TF minus 27. So let's add 27, and we should get somewhere around 842. Let's see, the next one is silver. And silver has a specific heat of 0.235 joules per gram degree Celsius. So let's do the same thing. 2,400 joules equals 23 grams, 0.235 joules per gram degree Celsius, TF minus 27. So this time let me do it just a little bit differently. Let me do, sometimes, a lot of times we like to multiply these. So let's use that strategy this time, just to show you. So here, 23 times 0.235. That's going to give me 5.405 joules over degree Celsius. Well, my pencil broke. TF minus 27 degrees Celsius. So now let's divide. 2,400 divided by that. 444 degrees Celsius. TF minus 27 plus 27. So we should get somewhere around 471. Okay. Next one is aluminum. I have to run out of space here. Aluminum, and it has a specific heat 0.903. So plug and chug times 0.903 joules per gram degree Celsius, TF minus 27. Okay, so just watch me on the calculator. I'm going to do consecutive divisions, save some time on writing. So first I'm going to divide by 23. Then I'm going to divide by the specific heat, and that gives me 115.6 degrees Celsius, TF minus 27. So now let's add 27. And so we should get somewhere around 142 or 143. And the final substance is water. So here, 2,400 joules, 23 grams, 4.18 joules per gram degree Celsius, TF minus 27. So again, I'm going to use the consecutive division method here. 2400 divided by 23, 4.18. That gives me, we're around to 25. TF minus 27, add 27. So we should get about 52. So as you can see here, through all four of these, the specific heats got progressively higher. So our final temperatures got lower and lower.